Patients with stage 1 lipedema, this is what a really good result looks like for the thighs. This patient is about 2 months healed, so she's definitely part of the way there. She's not too fresh. She's not in that early, 2-week period, but her swelling is coming down somewhat. And you can see, especially in the before and after, how her before and after is not something that you're gonna put on social media and immediately people are gonna be like, what an enormous difference, because she was stage 1. So we're not debulking here to remove as much fat as possible. What we're doing is trimming down her natural shape to be slimmer and remove as much fat as we can aesthetically. So how that comes across in photos is going to be a slightly bigger gap between her thighs. So if the patient is standing the exact same way, which you can see on the guide on the floor, she's got her legs exactly the same distance apart, and you can see there's a bigger gap there. You can see that the area around the knee is a little bit more defined. There's a little bit more natural shadows, not just puffiness to the kneecap area. That is what a good stage 1 thigh liposuction is going to look like. And then you can see when she spins around, you're not noticing any dents, any very obvious holes, lumpy bumpiness, anything like that. You really want to preserve the natural shape of the thigh. It doesn't just go straight down like this. It has to have some curves to it for you to think that it looks natural. And then when you put your shorts on, that it looks great. This particular patient came back to have her calves done, so she was pretty happy with the thigh portion, of course. And when you're choosing who to go to, just make sure that they're not just so focused on what is the max amount of fat that I can remove, but also what is it going to look like afterward, because you're the one that's going to be wearing clothes, you're the one that's going to be wearing those shorts, and the decreasing the pain, increasing the quality of life, yes, that is great, but how you look in the mirror is also very important.